Hi everyone! Renate here from Crafty Renate. Welcome back to my channel and to another Test It Tuesday video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a product that I've been testing out for, I would say, the last month and a half to 2 months, and it's these gel nail polishes called Impulse, and they use not a UV light but an LED light. I'm just an ordinary girl who doesn't really know anything about nail care. I just really like nail polish, but I don't like how long it takes for it to dry, and I also don't like how quickly it chips because, you know, I'm always doing things with my hands. I'm a very creative person. I hate wearing gloves, so my nail polish chips really quickly, and as I said, I hate how long it takes for it to dry. So I was looking for something that would help with that. So that's why I decided to try this. It's sort of like a gel nails at home kit without having to take hours at a salon, which I cannot see myself do. If that's something you enjoy, my sister has been doing it lately, and she has the most beautiful nails now. I think it's awesome, but I could personally not see myself do that. So I wanted something simple, and I decided to try this, and I'm gonna let you know how I liked it. I bought the starter kit, which contains the lights, a nail file, some instructions, always handy to have instructions, and then some of these sachets that are the nail polish remover wipes, the nail polish prep wipes, and they also remove the sticky layer after the nail polish is hardened, and then some of these cuticle pusher thingy-majiggies. What are they called? You see, I know nothing about nails except that I love nail polish. Yes. The starter kit does not come with a nail polish, but I don't mind because we all have different tastes when it comes to what colors we like, so I just prefer to pick my own colors. I have a couple of colors here, but one decided to be camera shy today of all days. It's been hiding, so I'm not gonna force it to be on camera. So yes, it was the ivory color, very pretty. You're just gonna have to take my word for it, but I will put on the screen which colors are available. But the ones I have here are Party Pink, Baby Doll Pink, English Rose, and Sweet Tangerine, and then I have Ivory, which has a little bit of a sparkle in it, which is really pretty. Yes, they have quite a few colors, which I really like, but we will get to that later. One of the first things I noticed when I unwrapped the light was it's a USB cable. I just plug it into this, and I plug that into my wall socket, but I just think it's a little unpractical. I'm not sure why they decided to do that. Maybe because it doesn't need as much power or something, but if it doesn't need much power, then they could have just made it battery operated, which would have been kind of cool actually, because then you could just take it anywhere with you. No wires, no cables. That would have been cool. I would have liked that. But anyway, I'm just using this. Not really a problem, but I can imagine some people would see this as a problem. So I'm going to show you how it works and how to apply this nail polish on your nails. But first I have to remove the one I'm currently wearing, but I'm going to edit it so that you'll see the removal after the application. I'm currently wearing this English Rose nail polish, and you'll actually see that the color on my nails does not exactly match the color on the packaging, which seems to be, some colors seem to match the color on the packaging and some colors don't. So yeah, that's a little, you don't really know exactly what the colors are gonna look like unless you've tried it before. But the colors are all very pretty, I personally think. So, well, the colors I've tried so far, which aren't that many, but yeah. I do like them so far, so I mean, it's not really a problem, but if you have a specific color in mind, it is a little difficult. So I'm not really sure why they don't have the exact color on the packaging. I don't know, but yeah, that's something to keep in mind, but I personally don't think it's that big of a problem. First, clean the nails with the cleanser wipes. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds and apply 1 coat of nail polish. Make sure to also seal the front of your nail so that the nail polish will stay good for longer. But make sure to do it carefully because when you're a little too enthusiastic like I was the first time, then you can actually sort of glue your nails to your fingers, which does not feel good. So try to not do that. Then place your nails underneath the light. It will automatically turn on and it will also turn off when it's done. Then apply a second coat of nail polish and again, put it underneath the light. Afterwards, remove the sticky layer of your nail polish with the finisher wipe, which is the same thing as a cleanser wipe. I only use 2 of those wipes to prep my nails and also to finish my nails. So only 2 wipes for the whole process, basically. So you do the 4 fingers of each hand and then you do your 2 thumbs. It's a pretty easy process. Once you've done it a couple of times, it's super easy. The first time it's a little like, especially the removal process. But now that I know that I just have to file more, it's quite easy. But the first time I was like, I didn't know what I was doing. And the second time, still didn't know what I was doing. Now I feel like I know what I'm doing, sort of. So yeah, I feel confident now. And it's a lot more fun now too because I feel like, okay, I've got this. When it comes to the colors, the nail polish colors, I do like the colors, but one thing I don't understand is why they don't have any special effects. You know, any special effects polishes. They do have a couple of shimmer ones, which I really appreciate, but I'm the type of person that when I pick nail polishes, sure, I pick regular colors as well, but like the last couple of nail polishes I chose were things like Galaxy, Melted Chrome, Jeans Look, you know, confetti, feathers. So I like things that are a bit quirky, and they don't have any of that. So if they would just make something like, I don't know, special effects, a special effects range, or even just top coats that you can add to the nail polishes, like glitter top coats, you know, metallic top coats, stickers, you know, things like that. And then you can put it under the lamp and then it would harden. That would be so cool. I mean, that would, why don't they do that? I mean, that would sell, right? They would make so much money. Why don't they do that? I really miss that. If they would have that, I would be completely sold. You know, that's one thing I really do miss. I have tried adding, you know, regular glitter top coats to the gel nail polish, but I think I put it on way too thick and it sort of made the gel polish peel off, but I think that was because I put it on so thick. So I will try that again with a thinner coat and see what happens. I can't let you know how that works out, at least not in this video, but maybe I can put it in a comment on this video once I have, because that would be cool if that works. But yeah. One thing I haven't figured out is, you'll hear it in a minute, well, in a couple of seconds, it beeps at some point. I don't know why. It doesn't say anything about that in the instructions or on the website. It just says that you have to wait until the light goes out. It says nothing about a beep. I know with my bread maker, when it beeps, it's time to add extras like raisins and chocolate drops. But with this, since there's no top coats, it's not time to add your top coat or your glitter. Hint, hint. All right, yes. Nah. Oh, I like it. Oh yes, I like him. Also, when it comes to how long they'll last, I feel like it really depends on what I do. It really just depends. Sometimes I feel like they last longer than other times. Ooh, this one could have used a little more coverage. The other ones are actually perfect. Yes. It really depends. If I'm really digging into soil, like doing weeding and stuff and doing a lot of harsh things in my art and craft studio, then obviously they're gonna chip a little more easily than when I'm not doing so many things with my hands. But I do feel like they last a lot longer than regular nail polish, so I'm definitely happy with that. They say they can last up to 10 days. And I haven't really experienced that. That's a bit extreme, but I have felt like they can last up to a week, which is pretty amazing. First, file the nail polish until it is scratched and dull. Then open a sachet of a remover wipe and place the wipe onto your nail polish. Then slide your finger into the sachet and wrap the sachet around your finger firmly so that it holds the wipe in place. Do this for all fingers and keep them on for 10 minutes. Then the nail polish should come off easily. You can use those little thingy-majiggies, I still don't know what they're called for this. They're meant to be used for that, but I personally just like to use my nails for it. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I don't know. It's just easier for me to do it that way, so yeah. If the nail polish doesn't come off easily, you should just leave the wipes on a little while longer. So when I opened the new pack of remover sachets, I actually noticed something. Different color. What? Oh my gosh, it's a different brand. So I was a little freaked out. I thought I bought the wrong thing, but the drugstore had it where the impulse ones were supposed to be. So I looked it up, and even though it's a different brand called Oat Polish, it's the exact same thing, just a different brand, but it's the same thing, the same sachets. It also comes with a file. It also comes with the LED light, so not a UV light, an LED light, which means you can use the sachets, and yes, it worked, and you can use the nail polishes interchangeably, which means you can use the nail polishes, the Oat nail polishes, with this light from the impulse, which means I can look for Oat nail polishes and add to my collection. So if I see nail polishes from that other brand that I like, I could use those too. That's so cool. So guys, this is actually a mistake that turned out to be really good. So now I get to share this with you guys as well. So at first I was embarrassed, like, oh, I have to cut this out. And now I'm like, no, I don't have to cut this out because I get to share it with you that you could use those nail polishes and those remover and cleaner baggies from that brand too. So that's pretty cool. Although I have to say that the remover wipes from this brand, ooh man, strong. That's really strong scent. And they also kind of stung my skin, which I really didn't appreciate. But they did clear off the nail polish a little better. So it's a bit, I guess it depends on what my drugstore offers. So yeah. But yeah, that was a happy accident, I guess. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you if you wanted to know more about this product, or maybe you didn't know about this product and now you are interested. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried this and how you like it, or if you have something similar like this, maybe with a UV light, and which product it is and how you like it. I would love to know. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet and you do like my channel, please consider subscribing. And yes, I will see you soon with my next video. Bye! See, I get distracted so easily. Even if there's nobody there, just the camera, just the illusion of someone being there, and I'm already distracted. So stupid. Can you imagine if you guys were all really here? How many of you are there? 7,000 and I don't know how many. You could not fit into my living room. I mean, it's not small, but oh, this hurts. Ow. Oh, that's better. Oh. This is gonna, oh. This is really gonna leave an indentation in my skull. A week from now, you'll still feel that. Slight exaggeration. I actually really like the color, the way it looks in the LED light. It's like a hot, hot, hot pink. I wish it looked like that. I mean, it's pretty the way it is, but I actually really like the color, the way it looks in this light. That's not the color though.